How crazy do I look right now? Do I still look cute? Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, second video of 2019. Y'all, I'm gonna be doing that every single video. I'm so sorry, but I'm just really excited to be back and give y'all consistency. Like, wow. Okay, so second video 2019. If you couldn't already tell by the title, this is going to be a review of the new Fenty complexion products. That includes the concealer, the powders, and they actually added 10 new shades to the foundation range. I think the foundation that I'm using now isn't part of the newer shades, but it is new to me because I went from 420 to 430. So that is what this video is going to be about. We're just going to hop right into it, y'all. I'm not going to waste your time because I already know this might be a long video because actually it might not be that long. I will prepare you though because I'm checking in probably 3 days after I initially recorded this, so I look completely different when I'm getting ready, but I'm wearing the same stuff now, so it really doesn't matter. So if you really want to hear my thoughts on the new complexion products by Fenty, just keep on watching. Thanks guys. Starting with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. That was probably too much primer. Don't be putting that much. I put 2 pumps. You really only need 1. Now that we got that, I'm gonna set my primer with the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Honey. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Look at that. This is the powder. This smells so good, y'all. It smells like money. I just want y'all to see how orange this concealer is. Like 400 is what I'm using under my brows and 430 is what I'm using all over my face. But it is so orange on me. I don't know why, but it's not a bad thing personally because I've always wanted an orangier complexion. Like, I don't want to look like an Oompa Loompa, but I think my skin undertones run more orange than yellow, you know? It's like a mix of yellow and red. So whatever. Anyways, like, it is orange, so if you're looking to buy 400, just keep that in mind. And if you don't like orange, you're probably not gonna like this. So yeah. All right, let me go finish this and come back. Okay, so my brows and my eyes are done. Don't ask me why I did all this. I'm like trying to double film or double dip and do a project that I'm doing with stephowensart with this. So that's what this is for. Now we're gonna move on to this Fenty face. We prepped before we started the eye, so it's really only time for the foundation now. All right, so let's get into the foundation. I have the shade 430, like I said. So this is like a closer match to my face. And what I'm gonna be using to apply it to my face is the Instant Pop face brush. So this is a closer match to my face. 420 was a closer match to my chest. I'm gonna shake this up. It was a closer match to my chest. And you know, it just, I don't know. I just thought it was a little bit too light for my liking. Yo, I look so good. See, I stopped using Fenty for like a while, but baby, like, can y'all see the greatness that is this foundation? For highlight, I'm going to take 400 Miss Orange and we're just gonna saturate this area. How crazy do I look right now? Do I still look cute? My phone stopped recording for some reason, I don't know. So y'all didn't catch me putting powder on, but I have the powder on under my eyes and basically in the center of my face. The Huda Beauty is what's like under my cheekbones right now. This is a check-in. So let me explain what happened, okay? The night I was getting ready to go to the event, I came back and just went to sleep. So I didn't check in, I didn't do any of that. So that's why I'm completely different now. New wig, new everything. As I was saying before everything cut off, I was saying that the powder under the eyes just did not perform how I wanted it to. It was a little creasy and it looked really, really dry. I don't know if y'all can tell here, but like I've been wearing it. Yeah, you see here it's like separating and a little bit of separation going on here. But I've been wearing it since 6 a.m. and it is 12:30. Please don't ask me to do this math because I'm gonna struggle. So from 6 a.m. to 12:30 is how long I've been wearing this face. And you can see that I have a healthy amount of shine, not too crazy though. I would blot, but I just wanted y'all to see how it would look without me touching up or doing anything. So this is how it looks. No touch-ups, no nothing. And you know, I'm not really mad at it. The powder, I'm just neither here nor there about it. It does what it needs to do. Like in this area, if we just like back up and just say, let's not look at the under eyes. In this area down here, it looks pretty much flawless and it's still matte. But this area is probably the oiliest on my face. This, maybe my nose, but this for sure is probably the oiliest on my face. No powder has ever stopped this from becoming oily. So it would have been nice for me to have a powder that did that. It would have been nice for that to be Fenty, but it was not. So yes, powder, and you can get it if you really want to. If you have dry skin, don't get this, but if you have oily skin, then you can probably get it. I'm still trying to figure out the magic formula for this to work under my eyes because it just makes no sense. No powder has ever done this under my eyes. Like my eyes are creasy, but they're not that creasy. But it is matte. It smells amazing. That's probably like the biggest thing I would say. It smells so good, y'all. It does pretty much everything else. Like my face looks pretty flawless. Like you can barely see any pores or anything like that. So that's good. The concealer I really, really like. Y'all saw how orange it was, but I personally don't mind because I think that even though I am warm yellow undertone, I do get closer to the orange side than the yellow parts. I think yellow kind of washes me out because it's just too neutrally for me. That doesn't make any sense. But if you're here with me, I want you to stay with me, okay? Yeah, I think the concealer is a really good concealer. It's very full coverage, but at the same time, it gives you a natural skin-like finish. So I can use it for days like this when I have to go on the hospital and not wear super heavy caked up makeup, but still be looking natural and cute and things like that. So yeah, those are my final thoughts. The foundation, the color, banger. Like I love the foundation. I'm glad I got another color in it that matches me a little bit better because it's pretty flawless, y'all. It is. So foundation, concealer, yes, yes, yes. Powders, you can, or if you don't want to, you don't have to, but I would definitely say yes to the concealers and the foundation. Okay, one thing I forgot to say is that the night that I went out, I did remember to do a flash test. And the flash on my camera, my Nikon camera, is actually really, really bright. So it's actually really good for flash tests. I'll insert that picture somewhere in here so y'all can see how well it performed in flash. The powder and the concealer, well, I guess flashback is mostly powder, right? So a flashback is virtually zero. There's like zero flashback with this powder, which is a plus. I've had flashback with other powders and this is one of the few that does it. But in general, I don't like what it's doing under my eyes, and if I have to, I'm like trying my best to like work through and see what's going on, because I've tried using Beauty Blender, I've tried like not putting on as much, I've tried using a brush, which I think did a little bit better, but not that much. It's just, I'm trying my best to work with this powder. She just don't want to work with me. Fenty, what's going on, sis? What's going on? But that's pretty much the only product I had a problem with. The concealer was perfect. It's a little thick, so if you're not used to working with thicker concealers, then this is probably not for you. But for me, it was perfect. I really liked it. It was just a powder. That was not it. Sorry, Fenty girl. Okay, so that is my final thoughts. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited to have brought you guys another video on schedule, on time. Oh my goodness. I would like for you to watch the next video. I really want for y'all to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoyed it, enjoyed my review and first impressions of the Fenty complexion products. I hope you really liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.